Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce CRMA's video session 203. So in today's video, we will actually cover how to build the basic product dashboard. So first of all, let me search with product over here. Uh, Let me click on new and let's see what are the things which we have. We have product name, product family and product code, right? So I think I can bring all the fields only because we have very limited fields in product. So what I will write is yeah, I think I have 17 records is active. I think that's it. I don't think so there's anything else. Product code. Okay. Let me search with the product code as well. Okay, great. I have some of the product code, is active. I think there are limited fields, but we can very quickly create a dashboard. So we'll go to Analytics Studio, go to the data manager and open that particular recipe where we have been working upon. So ID, name, product code, is active, created date, family. Okay. I think that's it. We don't need anything else. This is enough for me. So click on next and here we'll go for a data set. Like product dashboard data set. That is fine. Analytics dashboard and click on apply. We'll click on save and run. And yeah, of course, we will monitor this one, not an issue. No, this is running currently. Let's monitor this. Okay, so this ran successfully. Now, of course, I will come to this particular app. I have all this dashboard. I will build up this particular dashboard right now. We'll bring the list filter, of course. We'll bring in a container. So we'll bring in the KPI also, the total number. I think the total number of products is that is enough for me, the total number of products, because I don't think so I have anything else. Yeah. Total number of products. And maybe I can go for one more, which is, unique products. Okay. So maybe I can go for that, unique products. So And again, this too I can bring in the container itself. Okay. And now maybe I can go for a repeater widget and see what can be done. Okay. So firstly, let me build the chart. Uh, Here we go for the count of rows of, let's say go for the count of rows of product family. Okay, that's it. Fine. So let me write over here product family. I will click on done, and now I build this widget. So I will write the name of on the add query. Let me go for product family. Okay. So, mm, fine. And here I will go for a particular number maybe. Okay. And here I can go for the chart where I can show you. Okay, I think the chart will show the same thing. Okay, let me undo this one. Let me see if I can bring the number at least. Okay, fine. I can make it as middle alignment and remove the count of rows. Alignment I can make it as center. I think that's enough for me. I'm clicking on save. Oh, 1 minute, not save. I'm clicking on done. Okay, so that is the thing. And here, of course, you can see further more on this. If you scroll on, I can increase it up till here. Okay, so I think after that we can scroll down for sure. So this will show you one after the other. Maybe I can increase it one level more. Okay, and finally I can bring the product table. Okay, so here I will have the product details table. I'll go for my values table. I have the created date. I think that's enough. I have the product ID. I have the product name. I have the product code, product family, active and created date. I think that's enough. And of course I will make it as fit to widget. That's it. And maybe I will just name these things very quickly. Make it as bold, make it as 18. That's it. Here, I think that is enough. Middle alignment, and I can just save it and edit as product dashboard. Or I save it in my CRMA dashboard app. Click on save. And yeah, that's it about this one. So product dashboard. Okay, provide is related to products. I can select any kind of product code if required. I can select the family. I mean, is activating it mostly it was false, and I can select the created date. Okay. And for this one, what I can do is I can actually make it multiple selection. Multiple selection makes sense. Okay. Similarly for this also, having multiple selection will make sense. Okay. So I will just go for multiple selection. And yeah, currently I think this is enough. I can select any one thing from here. Okay. The digital media is fine, all these things. And that's how, or maybe I can select something related to family. Okay. So that will give me the appropriate records. Okay. So yeah, that is all about this one. I could have reduced this further, but that is fine. That is enough as of now. And yeah, that's it about this one. Here we can add further text, and mention that this is related to product details. Okay, so for example, I could have easily added a text over here to differentiate between these two, and I can just write product table details. I think product table, okay, something like that, just to make it more neat. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, so yeah, that is all about this one. As you can see, a very basic dashboard which we have built. Once again, I can like rename all these things. I can just name it as, and here unique number of products. Okay, fine. Yeah, that is the one about this one product dashboard. So if I click on preview, it's appearing properly, it's appearing neat, and yeah, that is making sense. I can further scroll down on this one and check. Okay, for the things, but yeah, overall it looks nice, presentable. And yeah, of course, we can further, do background colors, do some borders. We will come to that later part. And one last thing is, which I wanted to share with you is regarding the opportunity dashboard. I think I could have added the details table. So here also, like you can just add the opportunity details table. Okay, so here very quickly I will add the opportunity details table. So here I will just write opportunity details. Last time I couldn't show you this one, opportunity details table. Very quickly I will go to values table. I think I've selected almost, yeah, I will select the closed date as well. And I will select the name and I will just arrange it appropriately. So first we will have the opportunity ID, then we will have the account ID, then we will have the opportunity name. Okay, the opportunity name makes sense. Opportunity type, deep source, stage. I think stage I can have it after name only. That makes more sense to me. Then the amount, the expected amount, and finally the close date. Okay, so opportunity details table. Click on done, and here of course I can just go for this pick to widget. And yeah, that makes more sense to me. As you can see, like the complete opportunity dashboard is built up. Okay, the more details it is, the more neatness it will be. You have to make it much more presentable, and it should give insights related to everything. So fine, that was about the opportunity dashboard. Of course, I can always make this text bold and everything. All these things you can always work upon, which is fine. But overall, this is the complete view of that opportunity dashboard. And of course, today we build the product dashboard also. So many things can be added. Okay, we can actually add the border and all those things as well. But yeah, as of now, we can leave it up till here, and maybe this you can increase the size if needed. Okay, so here I think I added the container. That is the problem. But if needed, we can increase the size of these things as well, right? Anyways, that's it about this one. And let's meet very soon in our next video. Thank you.